Setting up your free trial is very easy. You're going to have access to our launch special 14-day free trial, which is going to give you access to all of our different features and functions during your trial period. And then you can also upgrade or downgrade to whatever is your choice. So you simply want to come in and choose a username and a password, fill in your first name and your last name, and then put in an email address and a phone number. These are all required fields. And then the name of your company. We're going to be using Zen Treatment as our business throughout the training. And then you'll also want to put in your web address. The reason for this also is that this is information that can be pre-populated for other efforts that you're going to be doing inside of the platform. Choose an industry. We have tons to choose from. For the example, we're going to choose wellness and fitness, and then make sure you put in your time zone, because when it comes to social posting, you want to make sure it's relevant to the time zone that you're living in. And if you have a daylight savings, click on that and then simply agree to our terms and go to let me in.